Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. It's gonna capture this little space here. The last video I filmed this one and I filmed mugs. And if you want to go back, you can. I think this will be linked right to it anyways at the end of this video. But I'm just gonna walk down one of these main streets. This is kind of a popular street in Taipa. There's a lot of it's kind of a blocky area, so it's a lot of popular streets, but this is one. And it's Sunday night, so there's lots of people. Actually, there's people in the restaurants every single night, but Sunday night especially, right? Nice windows. Okay, and in this space here, there's a little bit of a mall. I'm gonna walk into it just briefly so you can see what it looks like. Actually, I think I'm gonna walk right through it, just so you have an idea. And it's easier to go through at nighttime because the daytime will won't be able to see it as well. I mean, daytime you can't see. It's better to film outside in the daytime, basically. The koi. You can have these little things inside. This is a popular supermarket. So we're gonna go right out to the other side. Flower City. A lot of times people call this Flower City because of the park. And this one is an outlet store, so a lot of cheap things. T-shirts. Sushi, all right. Maybachs. Somebody parked a bike with no lock. And we're out on the other side. And I'm going to conclude in a minute, but this is, I'm going to go back to the street that I was on after going inside the other one. Okay. So yep, nighttime you can see all the tall buildings everywhere too. I'm just gonna walk through here real quick, and we'll so okay, this is the end of this street here. I'm gonna go into this building right here in a minute, and we're just gonna show you what this. I just walked down this street, so this is basically where we're at. I'll just kind of show you these four corners because it's maybe interesting, right? Especially at nighttime. Look at that. And this one. And this is, if you want to look it up on a map, there you go. And this corner too. This one has little figurines here, and they go all the way down. So, okay. You can kind of see up like that. So this whole area is like kind of like this. Just all the blocks are kind of blocky. They go all the way down. You can see tall buildings all the way down that way, all the way down that way, and then basically down here, and then they stop. And then it's kind of a different space. And this one they'll stop over on this space too. But okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado da polvilhinha.